how can we use that fire energy in us without destruction, without destroying everything around us that we touch? This energy of anger that we can feel every single time that anything that we desire, that we need, we cannot have it the way we want it right here and right now. This will create a frustration and anger in us. Just like a child, every single time he doesn't have what he wants, every time he has received a no, and very intense emotion, an intense anger is instantaneous. And with the years, we have learned with our conditioning to hide it, to not react with it, not to react. Even though it is always here, it stays here. We are this being. Our child, inner child, is always as furious every single time he cannot receive exactly what he wants, the way he wants it, and when he wants it. So it's really important to let this energy of fire, this anger is just a fire energy that needs to circulate, needs to go out. Because if we keep it in, it will destroy inside. And because this fire energy creates so much power, it is a very powerful energy that if we use it with our conscience, if we use it consciously by being aware of it, we can use it without destruction, without destroying anything or anyone. It can be a beautiful energy, a powerful energy to just move things forward, to act in a certain direction. So using this energy, how can we use this fire energy, this anger, in a way to create and decreate whatever we need and want in our life now, today? How can we stop being afraid of this power that it generates inside of us? We are only afraid of the destruction it can cause. But just like a knife, you can kill with it, or you can use it as a tool to create beautiful things. You can choose, you have the choice. I am free of my choice. So how do I choose to use this energy to build and create in my life? It is a beautiful energy. I allow this beautiful energy in me. I allow myself to use this beautiful and powerful energy to create and decreate whatever I need and want in my life and desire. I learn to be at peace with it. I learn to welcome it. I learn to play with it. I learn to have fun with this energy. I learn to love this energy and love the power that comes with it. A way that I love to help this energy circulate in me in a way that I'm conscious about it, aware about it. I love to sing the home. I love the sound now, expressing through the sound and offering that sound to all of my center of energy, to all of my chakras, and I will focus and I will offer that sound to that space, and I will let it come from that space. I let it in and out. And I love to sing the home, and with the oh, I can give and express, and the I can come back in and offer it to myself and taste that energy. And I can follow the direction I need. It can be coming from up or going up and down. I do whatever I feel and I need on the moment. Listen. I listen and I feel the space that it creates in me. And I do it as much and as many times as I need. And then I listen. I listen and I receive. I open myself to receive. And I give whatever I can give. I give what can be a contribution for the other. I give what I want, what I desire. And I let it in at the same time. So how can I have more coherence in my life with everything that I desire, everything that I think, everything that I say, everything that I do, all of my behavior, and with all of my deep values? How can I be more coherent? Because once I will have this coherence, I will allow all this energy to circulate through me, around me, and I will attract all of the opportunities, all of the coincidence that will help me live what I want to live, and that will manifest what I need and want. So how can I gain more clarity and coherence with all of that I say, with all of that I want, desire, everything that I do, and everything that I feel, and everything I believe in, for more harmony, more synchronicity, more enlightenment, more enlightenment, more alignment in my life. How can I give and receive all that I need and desire and want with more ease and happiness in my life, here and now? What can I let go of? What can I circulate? How can I contribute to create more harmony and peace in my life and around me and in me? How can I learn to love more and more, to reflect the reflect that I generate around me? How can I love more and more the reality I create? Because I am the creator. I have the choice. I choose my life. I can choose. I have the power to choose, and I accept to choose and all its consequences. I'm responsible for my choices, and I am free to choose as many times as I need. In all of my commitment, and I'm committed to choose as many times as I need to fulfill my life and be who I want to be and be who I am. Have a wonderful day, and if you feel and you want to meditate with me in presence, you're welcome to join me in this beautiful park here in Écu Blanc in the EMS Clair Soleil every day of the week from Monday to Sunday when it's beautiful and agréable, confortable. When it's pleasant to be out. It will be happening here from 12:30 to 2 o'clock. You're welcome to come and take this moment with me to be fully present, to offer yourself that time and space, that gift of presence, that gift of opening up and receiving what is, and making space and room inside of us for what we truly desire. Welcome. Have a great day. With love, Nathalie. Harmonie.